Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Charlie, and on behalf of Charlie the Cook and Andrews Cooking Channel, I would like to wish you and your families a Merry Christmas. Now, I'm gonna make this video a little short and sweet. That's about it. Now, as far as announcements, let's see. Do I have any announcements to make? Nah, not really. Not really. Normally for Christmas, I don't really have too many announcements. I normally save those for the New Year anyway. And plus, I made enough announcements from the Thanksgiving video. When I did the dinner presentation, you can check that out. I'll put the link in the description box if you want to watch that video. Now, as far as food, I just cooked a little something, not too much, because of course, we have New Year's coming up, of course, so gotta prepare for that too. So yeah, but anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and show y'all the wonderful food presentation. And I hope you all enjoy the video. All right, y'all, here is the food. And I'm gonna get started with the desserts first. Well, let's get started with the dessert. Here is a homemade pecan pie from scratch. And right here, I have the shells and cheese. I made this with fat-free milk this year. So yeah, homemade macaroni and cheese with fat-free milk. And over here, I have my candied yams. And right here, I have the green peas, the green beans, and lastly, the holiday ham. Look at that, y'all. Give y'all a full view. Look at that. I scored my ham this year, y'all. I'm so proud of myself. Look at that. They got the green and the red cherries. That little glaze. I just got finished from baking it not too long ago. And I'm about to cut me a piece right now. So yeah, that looks wonderful. Look at that. Ooh-wee. All right. And that's about it. Well, I hope you all enjoyed that video. I know that food presentation looked really good. I know some people probably asking what's that on the ham, because I wanted to do a little bit of something different in terms of the ham. I got tired of the red. I said, let me add a little bit of the green cherries on there and see how that turned. And it turned out fantastic. And I even scored my ham, which was great. But yeah, but anyways, I'm about to go ahead and fix me a wonderful plate of food because I am hungry. Yeah. So anyways, I hope you all have a safe, wonderful, and Merry Christmas. Y'all be safe out there because it is freezing cold. It's like in the 20s. It hasn't really been this cold in a good minute. It's been, ooh wee. Yeah, I don't think it has been this cold in a very long time. But yeah. But other than that, yeah. Anyways, I'll see y'all for New Year's. And until next time, peace.